Hello again everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing how users can use TMVGate to quickly and efficiently extract their TM1 data to Google Sheets. To start off, let's take a look at a cube view in Architect. So I'll be using the sales cube and the sales price view. So I have got my account and my month and my row and column. I've got actual versus budgeted, my country, and my model in the context. Now, if I want to retrieve this data in Google Sheets, all I have to do is open TMVGate, select my cube, the sales cube, my view, sales price, and click on refresh. At this juncture, you can specify the output format. Google's default delimiter is comma, so that would be text or CSV. You can also specify your own delimiters, and I'll cover that shortly. For now, I'll just be choosing the text format. So I'll click on generate get view URL, click on copy, and I'll pop over to Google Sheets. So I will use the import data formula. So just type equals import data, and your parameter is the URL. So I'll just paste in the TMVGate URL. And there we have it, a quick and simple way of retrieving data from TM1 using TMVGate. If, let's say, I wanted to extract my data in PSV with a pipe separator, I'll have to use the split function. And I'm just going to paste the entire formula here, and I'll leave it in the video description below for your reference. So in TMVGate, I would change this to PSV, and then with a new URL, I would use these formulas: ArrayFormula, IFERROR, split, import data with the PSV TMVGate URL. And there we go, that's all. So before we end off, please note that Google Sheets has a 40,000 row import limit, and you can find out more at this link over here. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. For more information or for a free TMVGate trial, visit our website or email us at info@itlink.com.sg. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll be having more regular content updates. Thank you.